Hey guys, Tim and I've got Dr Shaz with me. We're from Street Science and we're here because it is National Science Week.
Hang on, Tim, hang on, Tim. I still have my Coke can from earlier. Give me 2 minutes. I'm just going to throw this into the recycling bin and then we'll continue, right?
Why would you take it to the recycling bin though, when you can get 10 cents back on your can when you take it to containers for change?
Of course, I can get 10 cents back for one of these. That's a couple of lollies in my tum-tum. I think there's one of those down the road. Okay, give me 10 minutes and I'll be right back.
10 minutes? Hold up. I've got an even better idea, Dr. Shaz.
What?
Come back over here. I was thinking with this can of Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
This empty can of Coca-Cola, we could explore some science with it.
I was thinking
we could explore a concept called pressure.
Pressure? Interesting, interesting. Tell me more, Tim.
About pressure? What do you know about pressure to start with?
Well, I know that pressure is used to inflate balloons. And it's used to make bouncy balls really, really, really bouncy. It's also used for my favourite thing, explosions.
Explosions. Well, today I thought we could do the opposite of an explosion.
The opposite of an explosion?
Yeah. I thought we could do, rather than doing an explosion, we could do an implosion.
An implosion?
Because pressure is all about forces and how much force is applied over a certain amount of area. So if we have lots of force in one little bit of area, we can make things explode. But if we have the higher pressure on the outside, we can make things implode.
Alright, tell me more, Tim.
We could try and implode our Coca-Cola can.
Okay.
Now, we want to do this safety, Dr. Shaz, so let's pop on our safety glasses, okay?
Safety first.
Safety first, safety glasses. Now, this is an experiment you guys can try at home as well.
Serious?
But you'll need parent supervision.
Now, you're an adult, right, Tim? So you can do this by yourself.
I am an adult.
I am supervising as well, and I'm an adult as well.
And I've got my parent, or not my parent, Dr. Shaz isn't my parent, but I've got some supervision. Some street science supervision, okay? So what I'm going to do, we're going to need a pipette. I'm going to get out about 6 mils. 6 mils? Yeah, let's get about 6 mils. So right. 2 lots of 3. 6 mils of water into my can. And then what we're going to do,
yep, definitely water in there.
Definitely in there. Fabulous. Then what we're going to do is we're going to heat up this water. All right. Now, what I'm going to use, because we're in a lab, I'm going to use my Bunsen burner here. But you guys at home, you can use a stovetop. So let me just fire up my Bunsen burner.
So at home, I have a gas stove. So I could just put my can directly on that fire. Yep. If you don't have a gas stove though, you could probably use an electronic stove, just with a pan in between so that you don't have to hold the can itself.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Okay.
So right now you're heating up the can. What's happening?
Inside, you might be able to see, can you see that steam coming out the top?
Oh, I can.
So our water is boiling. It's turning from a liquid into a gas. All those molecules are escaping, they're spreading out, and they're pushing out all the air inside this can, okay?
Cool.
And even some of that water is escaping out the top.
In the form of water vapor, just up here.
Yeah, water vapor. You can probably see some of that. All right. Now, when this is escaping out the top, it's pushing out all that air. What I was thinking we could do, I was thinking we could rapidly cool this can down by placing it in some water over here. When we rapidly cool this can down, all of that water, well, it's going to turn back into liquid water. It's going to condense.
Condense!
And what do you know about liquids versus gases, Dr.
Well,
Shaz?
liquids flow, gases move around real quickly, but liquids always take up less space than gases do, don't they?
So if our liquid's going to take up less space, there's not going to be time for all that air to get back in.
Oh no.
And well, the pressure outside our cans will be much higher,
the can?
and it should hopefully crush or implode.
This is going to be great, guys!
Now, our can's getting quite warm right now. We can see quite a fair bit of steam coming out the top.
Should we do this, Tim?
Should we do it? Oh, I don't know. Okay, I reckon we should. All right, let's give it a big countdown.
All right, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Check that out!
Oh my gosh!
It has completely imploded. Look at the effect of that pressure.
That is absolutely amazing.
Let's try and drain some of that water out. We're going to have to let this cool down. Now, because our can has crushed, it has imploded, we can no longer actually take this to the container for change, because they won't accept cans that have been crushed. So if you are going to take your cans there, make sure they're not crushed. But if you do some science with it, then you can probably just pop this in your recycling bin. Now, that's probably all we're going to explore for today, but we'll probably see you guys next time.
Enjoy the National Science Week.
See you guys.